Fabtech, the leader in suspension innovation, is here to take your Ram 2500 to the next level with our 5-inch radius arm lift kit. Designed and tested to withstand the harshest off-road conditions, our exclusive tubular radius arms come fortified with dimple die side plates that provide unmatched strength and make these arms the very essence of quality. Get unrivaled off-road performance with Fabtech's massive stainless steel DirtLogic 4.0 coilovers. These monsters are the ultimate upgrade for your Ram suspension. Our dual-rate spring design strikes the perfect balance between a silky smooth highway ride and pure off-road performance. So whether you're towing a boat to the lake or tackling extreme terrain, you can go with confidence knowing Fabtech is the pinnacle of suspension performance.